everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well. And Moaz, the Minnesota album review is here. So first I was thinking how I should review the album. Should I do the review like how I did for Moats and the album by Blackpink? But then I thought, why not have like a listening party kind of a thing and review it on the spot. I thought that would be fun, so we can just enjoy listening to the songs and then me looking at the lyrics and actually giving you my instant thoughts. Now of course there are only 5 songs and 2 of them I've already reacted to, Blue Hour and We Lost the Summer, but of course I will listen to those also. We'll have a listening party, like we'll just jam to all the songs of Minnesota. So yes, the first song of the album is Ghosting. So without delaying this, let's just start. I have the lyric video open with me, so we'll start listening. Okay. At least because now with the lyric video I can understand who is singing what, because I'll also be, let's see if by the end of this listening party and review / reaction of the songs, if I'm able to separate their vocals or not. So let's start. Okay, I have my tea ready with me, so we're gonna sip tea and react and review. Okay, enough. Ooh! Okay. Oh, this is giving me a haunting feeling. Oh, okay. Ah. Oh my god. A retro vibe. Tiki Taka. Let me see what the song is about. Something said it's been a week already. Okay. Firstly, I'm loving the melody of the song. And such a nice, retro vibe this has. I love it. Doesn't even, feel like K-pop. Okay, Tomorrow by Together. I think the ghosting means, is it basically how you sort of, there are people whom you interact with and suddenly they cut off the communication with you and you sort of get ghosted and you don't understand why the communication has stopped. Is it because I'm looking at the lyrics and I'm feeling that only? You disappeared for an instant, yes. Oh, I also feel like a ghost. Okay. He is a little lonely. Ah. So the person is, I can't believe it, I already know you log out in my world. So basically it's like you are seeing that this person whom you used to interact with is having a life and updating about his or her life in social media, but is not in touch with you. All of a sudden you got cut off, sort of, something like that. So the person has ghosted you, so you feel like a ghost. Oh wow, so relatable, man. Oh wow, I love this beat. Ooh, Kai. I'm looking for. Oh, we have to go back. We have to go back. We have to go back. I'm looking for a sign of parting in the conversation. So he's not able to understand why, he's got cut off. This is a sad song, but I'm loving the beat. Now this part. Yes. Wow. See, this is what I mean. This is what I mean. If you have seen my We Lost the Summer reaction, this is what I mean. Now, when I'm seeing who's singing which line, it's still sounding so similar. Like, that's what I said in the We Lost the Summer reaction also, that somehow with Tomorrow by Together, I have noticed this, that all of their vocals are just so intact, and they just seem like it just flows together so well, and they sound so much in sync and similar. It's amazing. It's amazing. Really. No answer, that's the answer. Woo. Wow, Bombi has a great vocal. All of them are really great vocalists. And I'm guessing all of them can rap also. Oh wow. I'm liking this song. Yes. Thumbs up for this song. I like it more than Blue Hour, but a little less than We Lost the Summer. Wow. Okay, so that was Ghosting, and I really liked it. I really liked it, and I liked it honestly more than Blue Hour, but a little less than We Lost the Summer, because I don't know, I am addicted to We Lost the Summer. So I want to see if any song in the album, the remaining songs, can dethrone We Lost the Summer or not, because right now, like between Blue Hour and We Lost the Summer was my I was more inclined towards it, more favorite of mine, and this Ghosting I like more than Blue Hour. So the next song in the album is Blue Hour. We'll listen to it because this is a listening party. I'll listen to it once again. I already like the song, so let's go. The starting music is really nice. I really like. Blue Hour. I'm not playing the MV because let me just concentrate on the vocals now. I love the chorus part of Blue Hour. I really like it. Let me see if I can separate their vocals now. Sound so similar. I swear, for a novice like me, I absolutely won't be able to separate their vocals because they're so close to each other. I don't know how they are modulating their voice, but it's amazing. It's amazing. Yes. I love this part. Can you feel the rush? Can you feel the rush? What a beautiful song. So Yunjan's, I think Yunjan has a little deeper vocal tone. Let me know, Moaz. Soben. Bongyu looks like an angel. Look at his photo. He looks like the sexy devil. Absolutely love this chorus. I'm a fan of this chorus. Very, very enjoyable song. Okay, that's Bongyu's vocals. Okay, Jaehan sounds like that. That's Kai's vocals. It probably take some time to separate their vocals because I swear they sound so close to each other. Really sound so close to each other. Moaz, can you tell me how do you separate their vocals? I feel Soobin has a much softer tone. That's what I feel. Soobin and Kai both. Wow, I loved it. I love this song. Okay, one by one we'll play. So yes, I like Blue Hour. Blue Hour was a good song, but I think Ghosting is like na 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 na. I don't know. Ghosting is so hauntingly beautiful. I absolutely love Ghosting. Okay, that was nice. Let me just start the next song. Oh my god, the third song. I love everything about this song. The third song of the album is We Lost the Summer. I love everything about this song. The vocals, the beats, the melody, the lyrics. The lyrics are so relatable, so relatable. And I feel, you know, with Tomorrow by Together, I feel they are so connected with the Gen Z. They are, I feel they are like the Gen Z, you know, K-pop group. They really, their lyrics, you know, speaks to the Generation Z. Even to a millennial like me, I feel, you know, We Lost the Summer is something that I also feel. So yes, I want to listen to this song because I love this song. I love this song so much. This is right now my favorite one in the album out of all the three that I've listened to. What a beautiful song. What a song, man. I'm addicted to this song, Moaz. I am addicted to this song. Oh, the beat. And the lyrics are so beautiful. I cannot skip this song at all. Wow, I'm in love with the song. Oh, when the beat drops now. Cause we lost the summer, we lost each other. Oh, it's all cause you're monumental, and I want just mention. Yeonjun was so extra in this MV. I really like this song or this line. 1 day, 2 days, 1 week, 1 month, 1 year. It just, you know, the year just went like that. So, oh my god, I love this song. And then when that cut happens, I love that part. I think Kai starts singing after that. Oh, Taeyeon starts singing. I love everything about this song. What a song. The vocals are amazing in this song. I think Bongmyo is sort of standing out for me here. Even Taeyeon. Ooh. This is, oh my god. Difficult to dethrone this song. Difficult to dethrone this song, Moaz. And the choreography, the choreography that they do on the runway, I love that. I am not gonna lie to you, Moaz. I feel like listening to this song again. It is such a nice song. I'm telling you, I'm addicted to this song. I'm addicted to this song. I am addicted to this song. Okay. Yeah, let's move on. Okay, now I'm really excited because the remaining 2 songs are new for me. 3 songs are done, 2 are left. So the next one in the album is Wishlist. So let's get to it. Okay.
Please tell me now.
Okay. Okay. Let me listen to it till the first verse because something came in my mind and I'm gonna tell you what. Oh my god, I cannot believe this. I swear, maybe it's just me who's thinking this. But okay, let me listen. Let me go back to that part. Oh my god. Okay, Moaz, I'll tell you what I think. The way this song started, then the beat picked up, and then the chorus happened. I swear to, and I don't mean it in bad way. I don't mean this in a bad way. I actually mean this in a great way. This song instantly reminded me of Inner Child by Taeyang in BTS. I don't know why. The moment that beat started, of course, this is a faster. Tell me my ears are betraying me. Tell me. Oh God, what happened? Wait. So tell me my ears are betraying me, guys. Tell me my ears are betraying me. But I don't know why. You know, let's just go to this part. Oh my God, the inner child when it starts. Na 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 na.
그때의 넌 한숨 있지 않아 하지만 난 봐버렸는 걸 은색 갤럭시
I'm sorry, but this sounds. I am not kidding. This is, and it's. I'm not saying that this song is a rip-off of Inner Child, but I feel it's inspired from that because it sounds very familiar to Inner Child, and that's a good thing. I love Inner Child. Of course, Inner Child is a little slower. This is faster, but oh my God, I can just imagine Taeyang singing this song, and then the beat picks up and. I mean, just listen how the beat picks up. And when Inner Child starts, when the beat na 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 na. We gon' change. Oh, we gon' change. The beat. And then when they say, please tell me now, the say now, this part. Say no just sounds like, oh, we gon' change. We gon' change. Again. We gon' change. Oh wow, I have to check. You know what? You can make such a great mashup of this song and Inner Child. Of course, the meanings are gonna be all mixed up, but because here the lyrics are very different. But I'm saying just for the pleasure of our sound, for the pleasure of our ears, it'll sound really great. Of course, you'll have to change the tempo a bit, probably slow down this tempo and increase the Inner Child tempo. But you won't have to change the beat, I feel. Maybe it's just me who's thinking like this, but I swear this is so similar to Inner Child. We're asking for the wish list basically. Yes. I love how it drops. Now. I love the say no part. Say no. Yes! Wishlist. Wow! This song is so comforting. This is Moa's this is Tomorrow by Together members comforting the Moas, huh? So beautiful. And you know what? Again, if one is Inner Child, and also I don't know why I'm getting the One Direction feels from this. But this is such a catchy song, and all the songs are so catchy. Only one track is left. This song is Inner Child's little brother or sister. Brother, let's call it brother because all male singers, so. This is such a great concert song. I'm just imagining them singing this in the concert. And Moa's just screaming, say now, say now. Tell me this music, this guitar. Tung, 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 tung. I swear. Say now, say say now, say now. I swear. I don't mean Moas, don't kill me, but yes, it sounds like Inner Child. It sounds exactly like Inner Child to me. Which is not a bad thing, it's a great thing, I think, because I love Inner Child. So yes, I love the familiarity of this song. It feels so close to my heart already. Okay, so 4 songs are over. Okay, I'll tell you now my ranking. Number 1, We Lost the Summer. Still We Lost the Summer. Second, oh my god, so difficult between Wishlist and Ghosting. Moaz, it's difficult. Okay, second, Sena. Oh my god. Okay, second for me would be, if I have to just, flip a coin and I had to make a decision, I would choose na 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 na. Na, 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 na. Okay, Ghosting is the second one. We Lost the Summer, number 1. Ghosting, 2. Wishlist, 3rd, and Blue are 4th. Now let's see how Way Home is, and then I'll give you my final ranking. Okay, let's start. Is this like a slow song? I think this is gonna go up in the ranking then. My kind of songs. I'm in love with the beat already. It's a very common beat that people use in pop. It's a very common beat, but I love it. Oof! I love how Taeyeon just screeches his voice. I love that. I've noticed it now. Aha! Baba. Oh. Oh. You see how he's, doing the screechy voice. I love it, Taeyeon. Good job. Ooh, yes. Oh. Ah. Wow. This is an album for Gen Z. They have made this album for the Gen Z Moaz. This is so relatable. The lyrics are so relatable. I don't know. It feels so. I don't know. I'm not getting the correct words, Moaz. This feels like, people having a heart to heart, like how you talk to your friends. It's like this. The song feels like that. This album feels like you are listening to a friend. I hope I'm doing that analogy correctly. Let me know what you think of this. And now I feel that this album is over. I feel now there should have been 5 more songs. Wow. Wow. Lyrics. They also really concentrate on the lyrics. I was missing the rap. I was really missing the rap. Go Yunjin. Oh, wow. Beautiful. I'm loving this. I like this part. Wow. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Jal yoga means run. Jal yoga. I just love how all of them are rappers slash vocalist. And I think anybody can be the center here. All of them dance so well. Like there is no visual center particularly defined for Tomorrow by Together, right? Oh, I like this bridge. I want to listen to this part again. I like this bridge. I like what beat they have used for this bridge because the song is that's the rhythm of the song, and then the bridge is completely fast. I like that. I like that. Beautiful. And see again, tap, very nice. Na 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 na. I can only sing that part. Oh wow. Oh yes. Love how this is ending. Love how this is ending. I want to play that again. Look, love how this is ending. Beautiful. Amazing. Ah, what a bliss to my ears. Okay. Let me stop this. Listening party is over. Listening party is over, and I really wish that I hope there were like a couple of more songs, but of course this was like a mini album, so I understand like only 5 songs. Okay, my final ranking. Number 1, We Lost the Summer. Number 2, oh my god, Way Home is a really nice song. Number 2, you know what? Number 2 is Ghosting. Number 3, Way Home. Number 4, Wishlist. Number 5, Blue Hour. That's my ranking of the songs for this album. All the songs so enjoyable, so relatable. Like I said, it feels like a friend is talking to you. It feels like that. It really feels like that. Such relatable lyrics, beautiful melodies. Again, like I said in that reaction and again at the beginning of this video, that their vocals are so similar to each other, the way they have modulated their voice to sound so much in sync. I love it. I think it's only in case of Tomorrow by Together that I feel it's gonna take a while for me to actually separate their vocals. When I just listen to it and I can just say, oh, that's Yunjin or that's Kai singing or that's Subin singing. So I feel for TXT it's gonna take me the maximum time. So yes guys, do let me know what is your ranking, and I hope you enjoyed this listening party / reaction / review. I enjoyed it. I think I had more fun doing the review like this. I had more fun doing the review like this. So yes, guys, that was the video. I want to know your thoughts on the album, your your ranking of the songs. I definitely want to know that, and overall what you thought about this album, how it made you feel. I would love to know that. So yes, guys, that's it from me today. And if you have dropped in here for the first time, I hope you subscribe if you're a K-pop lover, and I will see you on my next video. Bye bye.